Hello, friends. Welcome back to Market Market. Today is 30th of May, and I'm back again with another update. So, in this video, we'll review Nifty's performance in the whole month of May and also the last week. So, let's start with the Nifty monthly chart. So, as we have seen before, this is the rally Nifty has made in the last 30 years, 1990 to 2020. These are the Fib retracement levels for that rally. Nifty has been moving in this channel for last 12 years since 2008. This is 2008 trend line. This is the 2015 highs, and so these are the retracement levels for the correction we have had so far since January 2020. So in the month of April, Nifty saw a 25% correction. In the month of in the month of March, Nifty saw 25% of correction. Month of April, Nifty gained back 15%. In the month of May, we had slipped out of this channel and it was close to 8% losses, but most of the losses have been recovered, and we are just down 2.5% in the month of May, right? And candle wise, Nifty has made, you can call this a bullish hammer candle, but it's an inside candle, so the range is contained within April, and it is more of a consolidation. Let's look at the weekly chart. So weekly chart, as we can see, after a huge fall, we Nifty did a retracement rally, right? This upward move here, it went all the way to 98.80, and then corrected a bit. Like this was correction of this rally, and then it is now after this correction, it is moving back in the same direction, right? So candle wise, Nifty has made a very bullish candle. As you can see, it opened here towards the bottom end of the candle, and it has closed all the way at the top. There is hardly any shadow above this, right? So it had slipped out of this channel, but it took support, it came back, and it took support of this trend line, and moved forward. Let's look at the daily chart. Right. So yes, friends. So as we had seen, Nifty had slipped out of this channel. You see a big, very bearish red candle here that made on 18th. That was made on 18th May. Next 5 days, Nifty spent within the range of that candle, and on 27th May, it broke out of that range, and towards the end of the expiry, it made a short covering rally, short squeeze of last 3 days, which actually added up 6% to Nifty's tally. Right, friends? Let me turn on the moving averages as well. And right now, Nifty stands right at this island reversal pattern, as some people are calling. So we stand right at this level. There is a gap above, so this could act as a resistance as well. So we have seen two reactions here at this level. It needs to be seen whether Nifty can continue the move and fill up the gap and move forward, or reverse from here. Is yet to be seen. So at this level, the 50 EMA becomes a support. We have crossed 50 EMA as well. 50 EMA becomes the support. 93.90 becomes a good support. 20 EMA and this trend line. So we have well spaced out very good supports here at the bottom. And at the top, it is looks like this is the easy way. There are no resistances here at all. If we break this level, then Nifty will fill the gap and may probably move forward or reverse from there. Right, friends, those are the support and resistance levels for Nifty. Let's look at the sector wise comparison. So this is 1 month chart of Nifty compared to other sectors, various other sectors. Nifty is right in the middle with just 1.5% gain. There were a lot of ups and downs, but Nifty ended flat with just 1.5% gains in the month of May, as we have seen. The top performers here are auto, metal, and then followed by infra, IT. And this pack, the pack in the middle, contains of FMCG, energy, pharma, and media. So these have returned gains in line with Nifty, 1 to 3%. The underperformers include realty and bank. Bank was down close to 17% in comparison to Nifty, but there was a smart recovery towards the end in last 3 days. because of a short covering rally, and it is now down just 7% in comparison to Nifty. Right. So this is where we stand, friends. So these are the support and resistance levels as we have seen. Nifty is at a very crucial stage. It may move up and make new highs, or move down from here. Let's wait and watch. I'll be back again with more updates in the coming week. Thank you for watching.